What up guys, and welcome back, and I hope you're doing amazing. Are you frustrated with your lighting gear holding you back? Maybe it's too bulky or takes forever to set up, or perhaps you are tired of being locked into expensive brand specific modifiers. In this video, I'll show you why SMDV's light modifiers might just be the versatile, hassle-free solution you've been searching for. My name is Kobus, Tollig, and I'm a professional photographer from Cape Town, South Africa, and I post videos every week about photography. If this is something that you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this. So I have a SMDV softbox here in front of me. This specific one is the Flip 44 Pro. Great softbox. We'll chat about it a bit later on. Build quality, I'm very happy with it. It looks like it's gonna last quite a long time. Where the Velcro is coming off for the diffusion, I must say this, however, and that is that I wish that the Velcro was a bit wider so it can stick together more easy, but I don't see this softbox breaking anytime soon if you look after it. The bracket itself, again, we'll talk about the bracket system a bit later in the video, but it looks really good build quality, and it's not going to disappoint you. So just so that you know guys, I didn't get just one softbox. They gave me about 4 or 5 of them, and I can honestly say that all of them looks the same with regards to build quality. Another nice thing is every softbox comes with this SMDV bag. It's got a Velcro latch here, so it's easy just to slide it in and slide it out and put away your softbox. Compatibility is maybe a question that you might have. Maybe you're thinking of switching brands, and I can say to you that the SMDV brand like literally fits any brand. So you can put a different fitting in any of the softboxes to fit your specific brand. So whether you want to use the softbox on a Profoto, Godox, or even LIGHTROOM, you can do that by simply just purchasing a new ring that will fit on that specific brand. So one of the things photographers love to do is run and gun. Hop in a car, go to the next location, get the gear out and start shooting. And when they want to pack away, it needs to be fast. Get in the car and go. And with old school softboxes, remember when you had to pull out that rod and put down the softbox and then do it all over again, or you just didn't do it and you tried to put it in the car and it was too big, or it was a mission to actually get it in, and then you can't put in anything else because it takes up all the space. Well, the great thing about the SMDV system is their new flip system, which is incredible. It literally flips over and you've got your system set up. You can put it on the light and shoot. If you want to go to a new location, you just press the button, flip it closed, put it in the bag, throw it in the car, and you can literally put 100 of them in your car because the footprint is so small. So in my studio, I use an Umbrella Octobox. It's a very good system, works like a bomb. But we've decided to do a time comparison for you guys between the two systems. And this is the Umbrella softbox, you know, opening it up, closing it down, putting it back in the bag. And this, guys, is the SMDV flip system, and you can see how much faster it is. So before I get to the next point, which is a very important one of today's video, I want to ask you to hit the notification bell if you want to see next week's video where we did a shoot with all of this equipment. Quality of light is probably the most important thing when thinking of buying lighting modifiers. I did a whole shoot with it. I can honestly say I didn't pick up any color casts, and the light was nice and soft. So in this photo we used the SMDV strobe box, as you can see, and it was fitted on a 500 watt strobe, and we'll probably talk about their strobes in the next video or so. But you can see the light quality on the model's face is soft and beautiful. In these couple of photos, I used the Flip 44 Pro. I'm a sucker for soft light, and you can see how incredibly soft the light is due to this big octa. For this photo, I used the SMDV B B240 as a backlight with a small reflector on it that just clicks on with a magnet, and it works perfectly as a headlight for the photo. If you like the editorial look that's so popular these days, but you want to soften it up a bit, but you want to be able to shoot alone without an assistant by holding your camera and your flash in your hand, their Flip 32 softbox is brilliant and works with the B240. You just click it in and you're ready to go to create nice editorial look photos. This photo was taken with a 500 watt strobe as the main light, with the Flip 44 Pro as the modifier, and on the back end we used the B240 light with the Flip 32 that I put on a tripod, and that gave a nice light from behind. Downsides, I can't mention really any downsides apart from two. The one I think is I wish that they would create a broader Velcro for the diffusion to stick onto the actual softboxes. And then I think when it comes to the big Flip 44 Pro softbox, it can be quite hard to close it. Anyone should be able to do it, but you need to use quite a bit of power to close that system. The smaller softboxes, not an issue at all, very easy to open and close. Let's talk value for money. Definitely value for money. It's slightly more expensive than the Godox system, but if you are looking at run and gun shooting, you want to hop in the car, hop out of the car, change locations the whole time, or you're a wedding photographer that needs to move from location to location, this is the system for you. If you are thinking of switching systems, you're going maybe from Profoto to LIGHTROOM, or you're going from SMDV to Godox, this is also the system for you, due to the fact that it can actually fit on any system by just changing the fitting. So in my honest opinion, I think SMDV's lighting modifiers is an absolute game changer. And if you want to see how I did this lighting setup, click on this video.